Hey traders! The date range tool allows you to measure and highlight specific time periods on your chart. Let's go through how to use it. To enable the date range tool, click on the icon in the left toolbar. Now click and drag across the chart to highlight the period you want to measure. This will shade the selected period and label the start and end dates as well as the total number of bars. Using the date range tool is great for analyzing specific trading setups, trends, cycles or patterns. You can see how long they took to develop and play out on the chart. Make sure to delete all date ranges when done to declutter your chart. The date range tool provides an easy way to isolate and analyze defined periods in the market. Alright traders, start implementing the date range tool in your charting routine to measure and inspect key time periods. I'll see you in the next video.